Alright, here's a quick one. I'll be showing you guys how to screen record other people's story without alerting them. It's very simple, guys. Very simple. Just ensure you follow this tutorial to the very end. So if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow a YouTube channel. So do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. So for you to screen record other people's story without alerting them, then go ahead and open that story you want to screen record. So assuming I want to screen record this particular story, can you see? So I just proceed and pause the story, then go to my notification panel to access screen recording. If you want to screen record people's story secretly, it is important to use your phone inbuilt screen recorder. Do you understand? So I just swipe down to access my notification panel. So once I'm right here, you can see we have screen recording right here. If yours is not right here, come to where you have these three dots by the top right corner, then click on it. Go ahead and click on edit styles. Once you click on edit styles, right here you can add any feature or any function you want to have on your easy access. So mine is already there. You can see screen recorder right here, and if it's not right here, click on the green plus button to add it from these more functions. So once you've added it, then you now come over here and tap on screen recording. Do you understand? You can come here and tap on screen recording, and it will start recording that person's story. So let me take it back to the initial story we wanted to record. So this is it right here. So I just start the recording, and this person's story we start recording. So once you are done screen recording, you just stop it, okay? And that is basically how you go about screen recording other people's story secretly. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.